Dior's relationship with England has always been, and it started in the 1954. The show would come to Harrods, and we'd show it to all of the rich and famous in London.
It's Christmas time. We are taking over the 44 windows of Harrods. In this project, there is many people involved with different skills.
Dior came to us with the proposition of turning Harrods into a winter wonderland of gingerbread and candy, jellies, cakes. It's a very sweet world. They're going to see gingerbread dresses, stars, Christmas trees, gingerbread furniture, and everything will be frosted with sugar like snow. There was a lot of experimentation to get the surface texture and the colors exactly right. So we have metal workers, engineers, welders, we have carpenters, we have painters, mold makers, sculptors like myself. We looked at some of the iconic Dior designs, such as this one, which was actually Princess Margaret's dress, and then sculpted them in a way that we could mold them to turn them into gingerbread. And the original has embroidery in gold, but we will be doing something like this, where we're adding the embroidery, but in sugar icing detail. I think you'll agree that they look pretty edible when you see them.
So we have the Christmas trees with the micro light. We set the table for the Christmas dinner with the flowers, candle, but everything is small like this. It's not only talking about, the facade of Harrods, from the road. It's never been done in the history of Harrods. We have two pop-ups. We have one cafe and as well one special exhibition that have selected the really key dresses, very symbolic, that we have transformed in the micro dresses. It's hours and hours of work on one single dress.
Il faut à peu près une vingtaine de centimètres. C'est très minutieux. Il faut avoir beaucoup de patience. Là, c'est la robe soirée. Les proportions sont divisées par 3. Le micro tailleur bar, c'est à peu près entre 15 et 20 heures par robe.
We will have an amazing exhibition of Christian Dior's life, starting with the house in Granville where he grew up, to Avenue Montagnier, and then finally to the Col Noir. Harrods is famous throughout the world for Christmas, so a combination of Dior and Harrods has got to be a marriage made in heaven.